In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add fixed assets in Zoho Books. This is an essential task for businesses that want to accurately track their assets and manage depreciation effectively. Let's walk through the process together, ensuring you have a smooth experience from start to finish. To begin, we need to enable the Fixed Assets module within Zoho Books. This step is crucial as it prepares your system to accommodate any fixed assets you wish to manage. Start by navigating to the Settings section of your Zoho Books dashboard. Here, you'll find an option called General under the Preferences tab. Click on this to open the Preferences settings. Once you're in, look out for the Fixed Assets option. It's a simple checkbox that, when selected, activates the module. After checking this option, it's important to scroll down and click Save to confirm and apply your changes. This will successfully enable the Fixed Assets module, laying the groundwork for the next steps. With the Fixed Assets module now enabled, you're ready to add your new asset. Head over to the Accountant section, which is your go-to place for managing finances in Zoho Books. From there, click on Fixed Assets, and you'll see a button labeled Plus New Fixed Asset. Selecting this will open a form where you can input all the necessary details about your asset. Start by giving your asset a clear and concise name, coupled with a description that outlines its purpose or any specific details that you deem important. Next, you'll need to input the purchase date. This is when the asset was originally acquired, and it helps start the clock on its depreciation period. After that, enter the cost of your fixed asset. This value is key, as it will be used to calculate depreciation over the asset's lifespan. Following this, select the appropriate fixed asset type from the drop-down menu provided. This categorizes your asset, helping you and your accounting team track and report accurately. You'll also need to specify the useful life of the asset, which in simple terms is an estimate of how long the asset is expected to be in operational use. Alongside this, the book value needs to be entered, which reflects the asset's net value at any given time. With all these details carefully filled in, go ahead and save the asset. Initially, it will appear in a draft status. This is a useful feature that allows you to review all the information one last time before finalizing it. Once you're confident everything is correct and you're ready for the asset to begin depreciating, simply mark it as active. This change signifies that the asset is now officially part of your accounting records and depreciation calculations can commence. By following these steps, you'll have successfully added a fixed asset into Zoho Books, enabling better financial oversight and asset management within your organization.